Hello, and welcome to this short training video on one of the most powerful resources you have available to you. This tool has been provided to you by your U.S. Chemical Support team. It is the Ray Chemical Support Guide. As you see up here in the header, is exactly the website that you'll need to follow in order to access this website. But don't worry, it should be included in the link from this video as well. The first thing you want to do is make sure you click on the star and bookmark this page for future reference. As we go through this website, the purpose of it is just to give you an idea of what this website could do for you and help you to find information effectively and to sell more chemicals. In the home page, you'll find that anything that's current, up to date, cutting edge, things that are happening in the marketplace that you should be aware of will be located on this front page. For example, items that might be discontinued, label adjustments, different pack sizes, things like that. So that way, if you ever run into a customer asking you about something, you're informed. On the left-hand side is our toolbar organizer. The links on the left are in order of what we kind of feel is the more important items for you from the top to the bottom. The first and foremost is going to be the product organizer. In this tab is a list of over 170 different items, all produced from U.S. Chemical, for you in the Ray product label. As you see on the first column, the areas are broken down into subcategories, such as bowl cleaners, degreasers, delimers, dish machine detergents, rinse aids, things along that nature. So if you're looking for one product, you can easily find it in that subcategory. But better yet, let me show you. If you choose to hit F3 or Control F, it'll bring up a search function for you. So in this example, I'm going to search degreaser, and it'll list up 21 different times the word degreaser is shown up on here. But I know I'm looking for a ready-to-use degreaser. So we're going to look at this heavy-duty degreaser right here. As you can see, each one has a picture of the item, what the label looks like, kind of have an idea what the pack size is. But it also describes it. It's 6 32-ounce. Here's the item code. It is a ready-to-use product. It's not a concentrate. It comes out yellow, spearmint color. But here's the important things. Text sheets. Well, if you're uncertain about it, customer wants to look at it, make sure they have a little bit more information on it. You can easily download it, print it off, send it to this customer. And each text sheet has directions on how to use it and specifications on it, recommendations, benefits, features, things that would be important to a customer to see. Now, with all U.S. Chem products, every case has an SDS sheet included in it. But sometimes those get lost, and customers need to be able to access this, and you need me to email them this. This is available also in this right here, where you can, again, download, print, send it to the customer without any problems. On the other column, if a customer really wants to see the product in action, they can click on a video demo. We've done many videos on various products just to give them an idea of how the product works in action, and then they can see it for themselves. The one important thing on the last column is products replacement suggestions. Heaven forbid the item is out of stock and you need to find out an alternative to use. This column recommends a suitable replacement that could possibly be substituted for a one-time use until the other item comes back in stock. So for our heavy-duty degreaser, citrus spray and wipe would be a good alternative to ship them. Moving back to the left-hand column, our competitive product matching is also helpful when we're looking at our competition. If a customer says, look, I love this Ecolab product. Well, here's your first clue. Go to Ecolab link. From there, we're going to search. And the product that they're looking for, in this example, is a high-temp grill cleaner, is what the Ecolab name is. Well, here's the Ecolab name, the GFS name, pack size, item code, and more importantly, things that you can talk to the customer about to help them understand why it's more beneficial to purchase the Array product over the Ecolab product. In this example right here, the Ecolab product yields 1 gallon compared to the Array one, 1.5 gallon. So there's possible savings or more product out of that for the same cost. Now sometimes you run into, how do I clean this? What should I use to clean that? I'm having a hard time cleaning this. What would you suggest? In this area, we have 60 different soils, surfaces that could possibly clean and some recommendation for it. So if a customer says, look, I've got these coffee cups, I cannot get clean. In this example, look, coffee cups, coffee pot, decanter, plastic and china designer, how it's packed, and what the item code is. Now you always can reference back to the product organizer and see if there might be a video on it, or if there might be a text sheet that you can email the customer. Now, in another example, how to sell products. What if you're trying to grow your chemical business? These are some important questions that you can start a conversation with a customer. Just to ask them, hey, you mentioned to me something about fruit flies. Are you struggling with them by any chance? I have this product called Bacteria Odor and Grease Digestant that just might be working for you. And then you can start the conversation, tell them what the benefits are, include a text sheet, get them to interest in the product. Okay? Other items are special order products, things that are not as common that you still might be able to find some information on. All those product videos we saw on the product organizer, all located in one tab. Literature, GFS literature that has a Array label on it. All the text sheets that we've referenced, all on one page. SDS documents, all on one page. And there's some other couple of resources that you may want to click on just to become familiar with. Last but not least is your U.S. Chemical Support Team. We are here to help you grow your business together. Don't be afraid to reach out to us. Call us if you have any further questions. We're here for you. Thank you for your time and for watching this video.